taking, just be. Don't take it.
Hey fam, it's been a long time. I just got a brand new laptop, so now I will actually be editing, hopefully like crazy and more often between YouTube and Instagram. As I explained to you in the past, I'm quite the introvert, so this is me stepping out of my comfort zone and trying to get more familiar with being in front of the camera versus behind the camera, but it's a gradual process with me, and I just have to take baby steps because I have to do what makes me feel the most comfortable. Today's video is actually a remix of my kitchen pantry. So, as you know, in a previous video a couple of months ago, maybe even sometime last year, I had posted a video saying that I purchased this house and we absolutely hated the kitchen, but who has like thousands of dollars laying around right now when we're in the middle of a pandemic? So the cheapest and easiest thing for us to do was to just try to like facelift the kitchen. So we did do that maybe about 2 years ago. However, I couldn't stand the pantry that was there, and at the time our thought process didn't go that, I guess, deep, as you would say, to actually think to tear it down and actually put a separate pantry. What happened was I actually fell in love with a refrigerator and realized that the space that I currently had would not fit the refrigerator, and I was determined by any means necessary to get this refrigerator. So the only way to actually get the refrigerator and make sure it fit, we would have to do some type of construction. And of course, hubby was like, hell to the nah, and I'm like, hell to the yes. Whatever has to be done in order for me to get this refrigerator, we have to make this happen for me. So, long and behold, here comes construction. So we had purchased and ordered the refrigerator. It was taking 2 months because of the pandemic. Everything is delayed and back ordered. They had actually rescheduled our appointment about 3 times. So we ended up waiting for the refrigerator for about a total of 3 months. So we had 3 months to figure out a plan and then demo and hope that once we got behind the walls, it wasn't, too terrible. So this video is just quick snapshots and photos of us doing the process and the end result with the new refrigerator. And eventually I'll actually do like a full kitchen tour, but I'm just busy with working from home and just being the homeschool teacher / mom. So it's really a lot right now, and I know a lot of us are saying the same thing. But now that hubby blessed me with a brand new 2020 computer, I am trying to get my editing on, and hopefully the videos will start flowing more often. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is so loud. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this.
Until next time, be blessed, stay safe, and I look forward to chatting with you guys in the next video. If you have any comments, be sure to hit me up in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.
Taking, just